In this video we will hear the sound of a meteor crashing into another planet. NASA's InSight lander recorded the seismic waves of a space rock striking Mars on December 24, 2021. A rock hurtling through space crossed the red planet's path. The meteor screamed towards the planet's dusty orange surface, sending a shock wave through the atmosphere. The InSight and seismometers designed to measure Mars quakes and dust devils was sensitive enough to detect the acoustic impact of the shockwave hitting the ground as well as the seismic waves from the meteor's crash landing. NASA shared audio. Take a listen. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, a satellite orbiting the planet, later captured images of the impact craters from the meteor.